Alright guys, welcome back. Today we've got a A90 Supra here, E58. I'm installing a flex fuel kit on it. We got some E85 back there. Alright, we're trying to take this off right now.
Push in or pull it?
You push. You guys setting me up for something. Why the fuck are you guys?
Dude.
This ain't no damn quick connect. This is fucking... Take some time connect.
Owie. My fingers. Okay, how it's... Shit don't want to come off. Does that not look off to you?
Oh, god damn it. Of course I didn't catch it, dude. Fuck.
It's got a little bit of gas in it, but it's fine.
Well, there, yeah. Old one out.
Fuel it flex fuel kit on mk5 Supra install.
I think you got like...
How do you fucking move this?
Here, let me see it, sissy boy.
The new shit going in.
I hate... Why did you even remove this in the first place?
I didn't mean to, it just came out.
Clip delete. Pizza's here. Oh shit! How is this even supposed to reach all the way over here? He bought the wrong kit, dude.
This dude says that it came with 0 instructions. He definitely just threw them away.
Yeah.
He definitely did.
Yeah.
Wait, so what did you do?
Dropped one of the clips.
We finally found a YouTube tutorial though, guys.
Oh!
Look at that.
No fucking way,
Genius,
dude.
dude.
Yeah, holy.
It's like I think like a week, over a week since we were last here working on it. Yeah, he dropped a clip and then my other friend dropped it even farther down. So all right, so we are in the Supra now. We got BM3 pulled up. We're just doing a little data log. We have no ethanol in it right now. Actually, 0.9%.
Show that.
But yeah. Look who we just spotted. If only yours was that color, dude. Alright guys, so we're currently driving out to Mexico right now, and then we're gonna do a little bit of data logging out there. Look at that thing. Ain't no B58! We just spotted.
Alright, I'll show them what a good car sounds like. We're not gonna get boogieing yet.
I'm gonna get boogieing. Yeah, on our way to Mexico.
This is the route to Mexico. When we're in the PNW.
See, like, just up there, that's the Forza Horizon 5 map. Like, over there. I know Mexico, bro. Yeah. Yeah, this is on no heat. But down there, you got the vehicle speed. We got our boost. Alright guys, now it's dialed. Now y'all can really see everything happening.
hit 5th gear, they just don't pull hard on the sucker.
There's got a lot of rattles in this thing, bro.
Hey, everybody go buy a Valvetronic exhaust if you want to just listen to it.
Oh, fuck. Hey, the intake sounds good.
I'm doing a pull right the fuck here, dude.
Bro, you know
It's the
it.
next trading spots.
Look at the view, guys.
This is Mexico.
So beautiful.
We hooked. No way.
Yeah, dude. We didn't even spin.
We're gonna do a 1st gear pull and see if that's the case. But we hooked from 2nd, so I think we're good.
Yeah.
Roll into 1st.
Alright, guys. We're here at the gas station putting in the E85. We're only putting in like 4-ish gallons right now. Yeah, we're just on a stock fuel system, so that's why we can't run full E. Alright, so we got the ethanol in it now. So we're just driving back to Mexico, and then we're gonna get some data logs there. No custom tuning in this video at all. We'll save that for a different video and a different day. It's got burbles.
It's so gay.
Nah. Nah, they're chilling. This guy, he doesn't seem to care.
It might not.
I guess we'll see.
Not by much, but it definitely is.
Yeah, it feels a little faster.
Okay, let's get it. It's definitely faster because it can't, XHP soon.